You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast, where every episode helps you navigate international moving with confidence. Powered by the global relocation experts at SDC International Shipping. Today, I'm going to share the story of Michelle, a UX designer from San Diego who made a major leap across the Pacific to start a new job in Sydney, Australia. Like many of our clients, Michelle wasn't moving a whole household, just a curated set of essentials from her one-bedroom apartment. But she still needed a professional solution to get her things safely overseas. That's where groupage shipping, or LCL, less than container load, came into play. Michelle had her bed, home office setup, some artwork, kitchenware, and a handful of sentimental items. She knew she didn't need an entire 20-foot container, but she also didn't want to leave everything behind or pay for more than she used. I didn't need a full container. I didn't even have a dining room table, Michelle said. But I did want my bed, my monitors, and the kind of things that make a new place feel like home. SDC International Shipping helped Michelle choose the perfect groupage solution. Her shipment was consolidated with other small volume moves headed to Australia and professionally packed to ensure safety across the long transit. The team walked me through the timeline honestly, she said. They explained that groupage could take 10 to 14 weeks and helped me to plan what to carry with me by air. Michelle's items arrived on schedule and in perfect condition, thanks to detailed inventory documentation and custom-compliant packing. It was the easiest part of the entire move, she said, and SDC made it feel seamless. If you're a solo professional or small household planning an international move, groupage might be your smartest option. SDC helps you balance cost, timing, and service, so you get just what you need. Call 877-339-0267 or visit our website, sdcinternationalshipping.com, to get started today.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.